Hi guys, welcome back to Craft House. So today I'm going to create a beautiful gift box out of an upcycled shoe box. So here I'm taking a sheet of paper that is smaller in size than the top cover, and I'll be using a hard stencil to create the iris folding, which will be the main focal point of this craft. Draw straight lines by following the instructions as I have shown here, and you'll be able to create the iris folding hard stencil in no time. Now we have the heart stencil to create the three gorgeous iris folding hearts, and follow the instructions as I have shown here. I'll be using 3 shades of color strips to create the iris folding along with the silver colored ones. So here I'm using violet and 2 shades of blue, but you can always opt for your favorite colors in this process. As we already have created many iris folding crafts, here I'll be showing you how to create one of these hearts, and the same procedure applies to the other two as well. This is how each strip that we'll be using for this technique looks like. So you can always cut them as per necessity. As always, neatness is a key to a gorgeous outcome. So be patient with the process and you'll be able to reap the best results possible. Carefully follow the steps because we'll be creating an alternating pattern between the 3 colors of stripes. Using cello tape in this process is very important because you can always make the adjustments whenever something goes wrong and get back to the normal pattern. And finally, stick the silver colored strip in the middle of the pattern. And we are done with the first heart. Now it's time to check whether we have got the pattern right and repeat the same steps with the other two hearts as well. But now we'll be alternating the colors as you can see here. As we are done with the iris folding, now it's time to cover the top part of the box. I'm using a white paper here, but you can always opt for your favorite color that matches with the pattern. There we are. Now it's time to stick on the iris folding that we have created on the top part of the cover. I'm using double-sided tape here. Cut many pieces of the double-sided tape and stick on various places around the frame of the pattern to make sure that the pattern sticks really well onto the surface of the cover. Carefully stick the iris folding pattern in a very neat manner on the middle of the cover. Next, I am using the silver stripe that I have already shown you before to create many silver strips that are self-adhesive. If you already have ready-made ones, you can use them, but here I am creating them on my own. We are done with that as well. Now it's time to stick on the self-adhesive strips around the iris folding pattern. This will give a really neat look to the cover of the box. Just like we made the self-adhesive silver strips, I've also created violet ones to give a double-lined border around the pattern. And look how gorgeous it is. The final step is a really easy one. You just have to cover the bottom part of the shoebox. And look how mine turned out. Finally, we are done with the process of upcycling a shoebox into a gorgeous gift box. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more such ideas and stay tuned.